Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Civic side mirror. We'll start by identifying common problems, like a cracked glass or a loose housing. Then, we'll go over the essential tools and parts you'll need for the job. Finally, I'll walk you through a straightforward, step-by-step process to get your mirror looking and working like new again. It's a repair you can definitely tackle yourself with a little guidance. When your side mirror isn't quite right, the first step is to figure out what's actually broken. Is it just the mirror glass that's cracked, or is the entire housing damaged? Gently try to adjust the mirror electronically to see if the motor is still working. Also, check if the integrated turn signal, if your Civic has one, is still illuminating properly. This diagnosis will save you time and ensure you order the correct parts. For most side mirror repairs, you'll need a few basic tools. A Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool are usually sufficient. Depending on the damage, you might only need a new mirror glass, which is often held in place by clips. However, if the housing is severely damaged, a complete mirror assembly replacement will be necessary. Always double-check that your new parts are compatible with your Civic. Let's get to the actual fix. First, you'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel to access the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connectors. Use your trim removal tool to avoid scratching. Disconnect the wiring harness, which typically has 1 or 2 plugs. Then, unbolt the old mirror assembly, usually 3 bolts, and remove it. Finally, mount your new mirror, reconnect the wiring, and reattach the door panel, ensuring everything is snug and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.